yeah, nice morning out here at the racetrack. Blue skies coming our way. We got the ocean coming in. Oh boy. We gotta run. We're entering today, day 2 of the rally here at Samoa drag strip. We got Ben in 2nd place in the Freedom Fox. He ran, I think, a 10:75 yesterday, and I think it's a combined score of the 2 passes, but yeah, so Ben's in 2nd, and then I'm in 6th out of, I think, like 20 cars. So, Enebo Racing debut, top 10 after day 1. Got a lot of work to do today with the rain, but we'll see see what we can pull out here. We got racers showing up. The rain's pretty much stopped. Weather looks better out here coming in, so it's wet. It'll be a real interesting time to see how they're able to prep the track, but we got a nice view of it here. We're gonna go walk it, but we're heading straight out to the ocean. I mean, the ocean's that way, and we're racing right out to it. So Monica's staying dry. It's nice and warm in there, and we're gonna go walk and go see the ocean from the end of the racetrack. Hopefully your brakes don't give out, because that'd be bad. On the beach. Here's the end of the racetrack right there. And there's the beach. So hopefully your brakes are working good today, boys. Yeah, this is awesome. California coast, super cool. This thing's crazy. Larry, Moe, and Curly. The portable hoist. Got the 2J 240. More cars rolling in. Got Trailblazer. We got the nice Celine. Got the Foxbody. Alright, we got the group photo going on. Oh yeah, running at the end of the strip. We got cars packed in. Freedom Fox over there. Looking sweet, looking sweet.
Took it to the next level.
Yeah.
Made
Got
videos.
sponsored,
Made
just
videos
like
about it.
K2 sent the parts.
Like, oh, how fast can you make it? It's like, that's just all they do.
We got a bit. Got American route.
All right, well, they finally got us in the lanes. We've been here for, geez, probably close to 6 hours. Finally getting to make a pass. The track's kind of been weird, but we're hoping we make one pass today. If it's good, we're dipping, and yeah, we should be all right. All right, we're gonna match up with Ben here. That should be a good one, guys. Way to rip, man. right, before I see the slip, first thoughts. Not too bad. I felt like the track's kind of this weird thing where we've been dying of anticipation because the track's been having issues with the timers and whatnot, and so the racing has been going just on and off all day, and it's been forever, but you know, you got to deal with it. And the track wasn't looking the greatest, but for the most part, I felt like I got out of there pretty damn good, so we'll see here. Grab the slip, ready to dig. Let's go. Oh, I got out. That's a new PB. That's the new PB. All right, Monica and I, we're taking off from Samoa. We ran a new personal best. Today was only 8th mile, but we ran a 7:43. Didn't get mile an hour and didn't get 60 foots on the slip, so that sucks, but they were having trouble with the timers, and I think they were kind of scavenging sensors to make it happen. So we got our passes in. We're heading, we got a 4.5 hour drive up to Coos Bay, but we are stopping midway through, 2 hours, 15 minutes. We're gonna stop into Brookings. We got a pit stop, and then we're gonna get some food, get some seafood, crab, you know the deal. So we're gonna get this good thing started here. Let's go. Talking. We got both Freedom rigs. Checking out this sweet spot here. I just saw them and I was like, oh, this is a good spot. How cool. We got about 2 hours to go. We're in full dark mode, but wow.
Those guys got us on film.
Look at that. Yeah, we're just outside of Brookings, north about, I don't know, 15, 20 miles. Beautiful beach. Yeah! What you guys know about it? Oh, mid-drive, I swapped out the 373s for a solid 220 rear gear. At 5th gear, going 2,000 RPM. We're doing a solid $110, just solid. Doesn't really seem like we're going that fast, but my speedometer, I guess, is just, you know. Yeah, my speedometer's really wanting us to go super fast. The odometer and the little mileage counter are still working, so, you know, we're just gonna call that still working, but the speedometer is out of commission at the moment, but we're only about 40 miles outside of Coos Bay, heading to our hotel/casino. Gonna go lose some money! All right, we're offloaded. Got all the cars are parked over there. Got security tonight. We're in Vegas, people. Monica was about to go to bed, and I was like, all right, well, before you go to bed, you got to show me which machine to put my money in. I think I got her. All right.